Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the best tire chain snow traction easy install option currently available. The AUVEBY HKN series snow chains, specifically the HKN 130 size. If you're looking for a no-hassle, highly durable, and reliable solution for winter driving, especially in emergencies, this is the product you'll want to check out. Imagine you're caught in a snowstorm, and your tires start losing grip on icy or slushy roads. Instead of fumbling for complicated tools or needing professional help, you pull out your AUVEBY snow chains. Within just 1 minute, you're back in control. That's because these chains are engineered for 1-minute quick installation. No need to move the car, no need to retighten midway. You just click, fix, and drive. The magic behind this ease lies in the auto-fixing device. Unlike traditional snow chains that require rubber tighteners or repeated stops to adjust, AUVEBY has streamlined the process. Once installed, they stay secure and locked, so you can focus on driving safely without distractions. The build quality also sets this product apart. These snow chains are made from thick manganese steel alloy, giving them incredible strength and traction. Whether it's snow, ice, mud, or sand, these chains dig in and help you maintain solid traction. The 3.5mm chain diameter and the 0.59-inch tread and side clearance are fully compliant with SAE Class S standards, meaning they're suitable for passenger cars and SUVs that have limited clearance between the tire and vehicle body. Another great feature is how reusable and low maintenance they are. After your winter drive, you just rinse them off, let them dry, and store them in the compact and durable storage box that comes in the package. That's not just convenience, it's peace of mind knowing they're ready when you need them again. The HKN 130 model fits 17-inch wheels, and it comes in a variety of other sizes, from HKN 60 all the way to HKN 160. So no matter what your vehicle size is, from smaller cars to larger SUVs and pickups, there's likely a match for you. The package includes a pair of snow chains, a pair of cotton gloves, replacement buckles, and a user guide. It's a complete, all-in-one emergency traction solution. You're not just buying a product, you're buying a compact safety kit for winter roads. To sum up, the AUVEBY HKN series snow chains give you unmatched ease of use, premium durability, and versatile vehicle compatibility, all while meeting rigorous safety standards. If winter is on your doorstep, now's the time to be prepared. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more top-rated gear breakdowns, and check the link in the description to explore all available sizes of this incredible traction chain system. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next review.